Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High grade 4 and now we are on chapter 9 that says Little by Little. So Little by Little is a poem, which talks about how an acorn grows into a complete tree, right? Into an oak tree. So this poem is about the process that helps an acorn to grow into an oak tree. Let's read the poem to know the process of growing up of an acorn into an oak tree. It also teaches the child to keep growing even if it is happening slowly and little by little each day. So this poem inspires, the child that, even our growth and development is slow. Very, it cannot be seen every day, but then gradually we all grow into an adult. So before the poem, we have this the pictures which shows you how the from a seed how it grows into a it look at the pictures and learn how the corals are formed, right? So it is telling us the life cycle of a coral. It takes a long time, but then little by little the larvae of the corals become fully grown. So though it's a slow process, but then the corals, they completely enhance into proper big adults. So the baby of the coral is called a planula. The planula attaches itself to the rocks. So this planula, it attaches itself to the rocks. It now divides itself further in half and makes exact copies of itself. So, it then divides it into half and produces its clones. Slowly a coral colony develops. How? Because, the main planula, it divides into two. So finally a colony develops. So now we have the poem. Let's read it. Little by little, an acorn said. So what's an acorn? The nut of an oak tree that grows into a tree when sowed in the soil. So the acorn says that, little by little, slowly and slowly, I will enhance myself, I will develop and grow into an oak tree. As it slowly sank in its mossy bed, so it says that, when I get into that mossy bed, I'm improving every day. So, when I'm into that mossy bed, I get the proper conditions which are required for my growth and I grow each day. And I am hidden down in the earth. We all sow the seeds in the earth, right? Little by little, each day it grew. So it was growing and developing each day. It sipped the dew. Dew, it is the dewdrops is the O's. So every day it sips the dew that helps in the development, in the growth. Downward it sent out like a downward it sent out a thread like root. So when it grows in the mossy bed, it grows like, it gives the thread like roots. I'll show you. So it gives these thread like roots. These are the thread like roots. Up in the air sprung a tiny shoot. So when it grows upward, it grows into a tiny shoot. So sprung is shot up. So then the stem develops. Day after day and year after year, little by little, the leaves appear. So now first there were the roots, then the shoot, the stem develops, and then slowly, year by year, day by day, the leaf starts appearing. And the slender branches spread far away. And the slender, the thin branches, they spread far away, far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest bright. Until and unless this, what was this? A corn grows completely into a big tree and it adds to the beauty of the forest, it keeps growing. Far down in the depths of the dark blue sea, an insect train works endlessly. So, we all know that in the roots we have the insects, right? So, under the blue sea, under the sea, the insects, they are working. The insects, they are working endlessly, continuously. Grain by grain, they are building wealth. So, they are every day, very minutely, they are, developing, and each one alone in its little cell. Cell is a room. So, they all make efforts staying at their places. Moment by moment and day by day, never stopping to rest or to play. So they do not take rest every time they are working. Rocks upon rocks, they are reaching high. So, these roots, which were growing under the sea, and they were working so hard, and gradually what happens that they reach high till the top looks out on the till they come up and they can see the sunny bright sky, the gentle wind and the balmy air. So balmy is warm and pleasant. Little by little bring verdure there. So it is the green color of the place due to many trees and plants. So when we have a variety of trees and plants, everything appears green, right? Till the summer sunbeams gaily smile on the buds and the flowers of the coral issue. Little by little, said a thoughtful boy, moment by moment, I'll well employ. So the little boy says that, just like an acorn grows into a tree, every day, moment by moment, I work, learning a little every day. I'm learning every day, and then not spending all my time in play. The boy is not, all the times playing. The boy is learning, right? So getting skilled. And still this rule in my mind shall dwell. Dwell is stay. So he says, even I'm learning, even I'm growing, still this thought will remain with me. Whatever I do, I will do it well. So he says, whatever I do, I will give my 100%, I will give my best in the task I am performing. Little by little, I learned to know the treasured wisdom of long ago. So, he says that gradually I will learn and I will develop my knowledge, and it will add on to my knowledge, the experiences. And one of these days, perhaps we'll see that the world will be the better for me. And gradually, he says that a day will come when I will be able to understand the world and the people around me well and properly. And do you not think that this is the simple plan made him a wise and a useful man? He says, don't you think with this spirit, it really helped me to see the world in a better way, right? So this was about the, acorn and the insect and the little boy, how they developed, how they enhanced, and they grew. So now we have the exercise based on it. Which of the following words means the same as slim? So, very good, slender. Choose the word opposite in the meaning to ignorance. Opposite to ignorance is wisdom. Next, we have the extract. Based on it, we need to answer the following questions. Who is speaking in these lines? Little by little, and acorn said. So, who's speaking in these lines? Acorn is speaking. The acorn slowly sank in its mossy bed. Is it true or false? It's a true statement. The acorn is dash every day. So what do you say? The acorn is improving every day. Next, where is the acorn hidden? He is deep inside the earth. Give the rhyming word of day from the extract. So which is the rhyming, the word that sounds like day? It is, I'm improving, day is away. So the rhyming word is away. Next, what happens after day? Day after day. So what happens day after day? The leaves appear. Next, how do branches spread? They spread far and wide. The leaves appear daily. So is it a correct sentence? They appear daily, day by day, year by year. So it's a false sentence. Till the mighty dash is the forest pride. Till the mighty oak. Write the rhyming word of year. So which is the rhyming word for year here? It is appear. Next we have tick the correct option. Which seed is growing little by little in the poem? It is the acorn, the nut of an oak tree. What spreads far and wide? What spreads far and wide? It is the branches. Let me just check. Yes, the branches, they spread far and wide. What sprung up in the air? So it is the tiny shoot. Next, the corn slowly sank in its mossy bed. Very good. The acorn is improving every day. Dash deep in the earth away. Every day. Wait. The corn is hidden deep in the earth away. Where is that? Okay, next slide. Every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Next, an insect dash works endlessly. An insect train works endlessly. The boy will learn to know the treasured wisdom of long ago. Very good. Next, name the tree that the corn grows into. So the corn will grow into an oak tree. What things does the seed need to grow? So it needs the dew, it needs the sunlight, right? So, and the soil to grow. How many describing words can you find in the poem? There are a lot many describing words. It is, mossy, then it is deep, then we have thread-like, then we have slender, right? Then, so again, sunny is a describing word, then balmy air, right? So we have a variety of describing words in the poem. So that was all about the poem. Hope you all loved it. So you will all read the poem once again, go through the exercise, read the poem very carefully, try to understand the meaning, then come to the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.